Super Easy Drawings channel. Hello kids, welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to learn how to draw a dog with accessories. At first, I'm going to draw a cute doggy. I start with his cute eyes, his nose, and his mouth with his tongue out. I draw the shape of his head and his 2 ears. Now I draw his body with his 4 legs. He is sitting. I finish the drawing with his tail. Now let's draw his doghouse next to him. I draw its bottom, then the roof, its door, and I add some lines here. Now I draw his plate with a paw on it. And finally, a bone. I draw some lines for the grass. Hooray! Now I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color the doghouse first with the colors of the rainbow. I start with red on the roof, then orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple for the door. The bone is going to be pink. And I add some light brown inside as dog food. I color the doggy's tongue with light red. For his ears and tail, I use a dark brown marker. For the rest of his body, I use this light brown color. I leave patches on his chest and tail white. I color the grass green, and I add some light blue into the background. If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel.